Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to show you guys how to change your clock skins on the ScaleTech V8 smartwatch. It comes in a little box like so. It's looks really cool. I love the shape of it. The finishes are amazing, but the 32 meg RAM, 32 meg ROM kind of really suck. In terms of you are so limited to what you can actually do with this watch. However, for receiving phone calls, making Bluetooth connection to your phone, etc., it's pretty nifty. The only issue I had with it was the clock skins really suck and you can't really customize it. So for a few days I've actually just been sitting learning how to code and get into the back end of this thing, which has been a pain in my ass. I could show you what I've been working on, but it's kind of hectic. That is my whiteboard basically of this system and the file systems that I needed to get into to change everything around. Figured out most of it. As you can see, the EE2A0B-OC and the two below it are your actual clock skins that you would change by computer. Right, so back to it. Okay, so the ScaleTech V8, I'm going to show you what I've done to mine. I've already changed a few things. I have figured out how to change your icons, your sounds, pretty much everything. It's just getting to the actual flashing point again is it's just another killer. So anyway, I'm gonna start it up. I've got a custom boot screen and I've got my custom wallpaper. You can't really see the icons, but it's too much light. Anyway, I managed to change the wallpaper through the back end and my custom clock, which doesn't look so great on the screen, but it does look a lot better in real life. You can't really do much because the file systems have to be very small. You're looking at 2.6 for your actual main screen, the digital clock, and then your other two clocks about, I think it was under 5 kilobytes per image, but I will show you that later on in the next few videos once I've changed the whole system around. Anyway, let's put that down. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually change your initial clock face. First of all, let's go to the computer. So, right, let's get this focused. What you're going to need is, I'm just going to flip this sideways. You're going to need a few programs. You're going to need Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or some image editing program where you could actually compress your files. And you're going to need Flash tools, your MTK drivers, and a program called ROMDZ, ROMDZ09.-B.jar. That is what is actually going to get you into your back end and be able to change and manipulate the files. I'm going to walk you through this, so pay attention, bear with me, and I hope this helps. So first of all, you're going to open up your flashed file system. So whatever you're going to use to flash it, I'm going to use flashtool.exe. First of all, make a backup. It is essential you make a backup because finding the right ROM to run your smartwatch is a nightmare. I've hunted, I lost mine initially and I ended up using the Iridish X3 ROM just to get my phone back up and working and the touchscreen working again. There are ROMs out there, but look, having your original ROM in the end is always the best. So you're gonna download your ROM, you're gonna make a backup, so I call mine readback. You're gonna get a file called ROM A08. What you're also going to need, sorry I forgot to do this, is a readback extractor that you can get from the XDA developer site. You're going to paste it in there and you're going to open it. You're going to load your readback file, and once it's read, you're just going to say rebuild. It does take a few minutes. Right, once it's done, you just say rebuild, and you have now got your actual ROM back. Right, from here what you're going to do is you're going to open up ROMs Z09.jar. Okay, and then you're going to load it. So I've called this readback, and you're going to say file 1. What you do here is select it, Control C, and where it says ROM, just Control V. Right, and then hit extract, and it'll pull up all the image files. Right, once that's done, just click on get pictures, and from here you'll be able to get all your actual files of everything. Most of them, because this is a 32 MB RAM and 32 MB ROM, it becomes problematic, and the files are so compressed that you can't actually see most of the images. However, you can, if you have gone straight into it, get like the icons, etc., which you can change. So from here, the main clock on this is called EEA, I think it's 220, EEA 280, right? What you do from here is you say extract, and in your files it'll give you that. You now take both of these, well, take one. As you can see, it's 2.61 kilobytes. Your new version has to be about the same size or smaller than that file. It will not read if it's anything higher than 2.6 kilobytes. So what you do is you manipulate it, make it whatever, look like whatever you want. Got a few that I've done. For instance, okay, I don't like any of those. Let's see. Okay, MT2. Right, so as you can see, I've already made my files. I've changed them to what I want them to be. This was the second clock face that I did for the other option, and I can't find the third one right now. There's the third one right here. Anyway, you're going to take that and copy it back into your files, replace the file destination, and you do that with the other one too. So let's just do it so you guys can see exactly how to do it. So you copy again and paste. Now both of these files are changed. Okay, from here you're going to say import, and boom, it changes both. From there you just say to file, to ROM, and you close it. And that's it. That is your file system, well, your clock system updated and changed. What you do from here, just double check that you have actually saved it to the right ROM. So if MTK1, your file 01 MTK shows that it's been changed, you've done it correctly. If not, you have not done it correctly. So as you can see, I have not saved it. So I just say save, and there we go, 2:54 p.m. It is done. After that, you close that up. That is your one clock face. The other two, you just have to sift through and find which ones are which. You can change the hands of the clock too. Shucks, I already closed it, but you can change the hands of the clock. They are there. They are available to be changed. Just remember your file size needs to be the same or lower. From there, you just go back into your Flash tools, load your drivers, load your scatter file, and flash it, and you are done. You have a new clock skin, and you can have fun with it. Try to figure out, share some wisdom, shed some lights, and yeah, you know, I've been through like almost 10 clock faces already. I've had quite a bit of fun with it. I've learned how to change a few things, manipulate a couple of others. You know, it's all about how you want your watch set up. In terms of the MP3 files, that, for example, for the message tones, I'm still trying to hack into that, which is a mission to get through to, but it is coming along. I will post up more videos once I have found out how to change those. But yeah, as you can see, I'll just show you quickly. I have done quite a few edits on watch faces. So I mean, these are the ones that I've been playing around with, seeing what I can do with them. And I mean, if you do know how to draw in Corel, for example, it is beneficial to draw everything into curves and then changing it into a GIF, because your file sizes are nice and small. If you're actually going to download, like I tried this one from XDA Developers, the file size is too big, and when you compress it, it just looks really crappy. I tried one of these, but it's all about the compression rate and how small you can make these actual clock faces. But yeah, look, two color watch faces work the best. Normally a black with another color, white, red, green, work the best. If you're going to go three-tone, your file sizes are going to be a lot bigger. So just keep your file size as low as possible. And yeah, like my page, like my videos, whatever, subscribe. Hooah.